In this video, you'll learn how to design really eye-catching thumbnails for any type of video using Canva. First, open Canva. Select the social media category and type YouTube thumbnail in the search bar. Choose any thumbnail layout you like from here. Use this color option to change the background color. Open the Upload section if you want to add your own image to the thumbnail. Now it's time to add text. Open the Text section. Insert your text. Now set the position of the text according to your thumbnail layout. Click here to create a duplicate copy. Click here to customize the font style. Click on Effects to explore different text styles and choose your favorite one.